Hi, I am Yogacharya Shishupalan, faculty member, Department of Swastavritta and Yoga,
Srinarayana Institute of Ayurvedic Studies and Research, Kollam, Kerala, India.
Today we are going to practice
Surya Namaskar, the sun salutation. Before we begin the practice, I would like to share with you a few words about Surya Namaskar.
It is an ancient technique of paying respect to the sun for giving us the vital energy and life on earth. Surya Namaskara is practiced in between Sukshma Yoga and Yogasanas. The ideal time for the practice is early morning. Evening is also preferred. There are 3 pace speeds suggested: low, medium and fast. But that depends upon the need and capacity of the practitioners. The core principle of Surya Namaskara is a synchronization of the breath with movement. Children from the age of 8 can start Surya Namaskara. Senior citizens and pregnant women can practice Surya Namaskara
with the guidance of experienced yoga teachers.
Miraculous benefits can be harvested by the regular and systematic practice of Surya Namaskara. The regular practice of Surya Namaskara will activate, tone and massage the whole body systems. Every cell will be rejuvenated and detoxified. The nervous system will be soothed, thereby stress, tension and anxiety will be reduced. Hormone function will be stabilized. The regular practice of Surya Namaskara will help women to regulate
irregular menstrual cycle
and assist them in childbirth. It is both preventive and curative for physical and mental maladies. But some precautions have to be kept in mind before the practice. People with bone problems, arthritis, hypertension, heart problems should avoid the practice.
Now let us begin the practice.
हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्ताभिहितं मुखं तत्त्वं पोषण्णपावृणो सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये
ॐ ह्रां मित्राय नमः ॐ ह्रीं रवये नमः ॐ ह्रूं सूर्याय नमः ॐ ह्रैं भानवे नमः ॐ ह्रौं खगाय नमः ॐ ह्रां पुष्णे नमः ॐ ह्रां हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ ह्रीं मारीचाय नमः ॐ ह्रूं आदित्याय नमः ॐ ह्रैं सवित्रे नमः ॐ ह्रौं अर्काय नमः ॐ ह्रां भास्कराय नमः. Surya Namaskara, starting position, stand in Tadasana. Come to the front of the mat. Stand erect with your head and body straight but relaxed. Keep the feet together. Keep the arms by the sides of the body. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. You may keep a good smile on your face throughout the practice. Step 1, Pranamasana. Keep your feet together but 2 inches gap between the feet. Balance your body weight equally on both feet, chest expanded. As you breathe in, lift both arms from the sides, and as you exhale, place palms together in front of the chest. Namaskara Mudra. Elbows are out towards the sides and look in front. Step 2, Hasta Uttanasana. As you breathe in, lift both arms above the head. Keep the biceps close to the ears. Arch your body back. You may push the pelvis forward little bit and look up. You feel the stretch from the feet to the tips of your fingers. Step 3, Padahastasana. As you exhale, bend forward from the waist, keeping the spine erect. And as you exhale completely, place both palms by the sides of the feet and touch your knees with the forehead. If not possible, you may bend your knees. Keep your palms fixed on the floor. Make sure that the fingers and toes are in a straight line. Step 4, Ashwasanjalanasana. Without moving your hands, inhale and stretch your right leg back as far as possible. Bring the right knee to the floor. Stretch the toes out. Make a gentle effort to push the hips down towards the floor and look up. Make sure the left leg is perpendicular to the floor. Step 5, Adho Mukha Svanasana. While exhaling, straighten the right leg and stretch the left leg back and keep it beside the right leg. Keep the heels down to the floor. Lift the hips up as much as possible. Head towards your knees and look at your feet. The body shape is like an inverted V. And step 6, Ashtanga Namaskara. While exhaling without shifting the position of hands and toes, bring the knees down to the floor and slide forward. Touch the chest and chin on the floor. Make sure that the hips are raised up a little bit. The feet, knees, chest, hands and chin are in contact with the ground. The 8 parts of the body touching the floor, showing respect to the sun. Step 7, Bhujangasana. Keeping the hands in the same position, stretch out the toes. By inhaling, raise and slide the body forward until the hips are on the ground. Chest up. Elbows slightly bent and look up. Make a gentle effort to push the chest forward. Step 8, Adho Mukha Svanasana. As you exhale, tuck the toes, lift the hips as high as possible. Keep the heels on the floor and bring the head down towards the knee. Look at the feet. Step 9, Ashwasanjalanasana. While inhaling, bring the right foot forward between the hands so that the fingers and toes are lined up. Keep your left knee down to the floor. Stretch out the toes. Press the hips down and look up. Make sure that the right foot is directly below the right knee and it is perpendicular to the floor. Now make a gentle effort to push the hips down towards the floor. Step 10, Padahastasana. As you exhale, tuck the toes and straighten the left leg without moving the hands. Bring the left foot forward next to the right foot. Touch your knees with the forehead. If not possible, you may bend your knees. Your fingers, toes are in a straight line. Step 11, Hasta Uttanasana. As you breathe in, lift both arms up above the head. Keep the biceps close to the ears and arch your body back. Push your pelvis forward. Step 12, Pranamasana. As you exhale, first straighten your body and bring the arms into the prayer position in front of the chest. Now arms down, keep them on either side of the body. Relax and observe the sensations. Now ready to begin with the left leg. Tadasana. Step 1, Pranamasana, prayer pose. Step 2, Hasta Uttanasana, raised arms pose. Step 3, Padahastasana, hands to feet pose. Step 4, Ashwasanjalanasana, equestrian pose. Step 5, Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog pose. Step 6, Ashtanga Namaskara, salutation with 8 limbs. Step 7, Bhujangasana, cobra pose. Step 8, Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog pose. Step 9, Ashwasanjalanasana, equestrian pose. Step 10, Padahastasana, hands to feet pose. Step 11, Hasta Uttanasana, raised arms pose. Step 12, Pranamasana, prayer position. Relax. Now we have completed 1 round. The beginners can do 6 rounds in slow speed. Later they can increase the speed and rounds. That depends upon the need and capacity of the person. Thank you.
If this video was helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe. Namaste.